Today I'm going to discuss the assault, battery, and high-stress place of work tort. In a lot of professions that create high amount of stress, there's always the risk that employees assaulting one another, especially if the employees are in constant interaction with each other. I find that, high concentration of time spent together as well as of a stressful environment, especially when I was in the military, led to a lot of fights, and definitely a big issue. This would be considered an intentional tort, as the defendant supposedly intentionally inflicted damage upon the plaintiff. The two important aspects here to take into account is the definitions, with assault being the placing of another in immediate anxiety for his or her physical safety, and then battery, which is the unlawful use of force to the body of another person, resulting in offensive touching or physical injury. So with the potential injury, we need to include that the trauma, abuse, the mental anguish, and the emotional distress are all possibilities here, and those are things that the plaintiff could be claiming. And then it requires an intentional infliction of emotional distress. So, it needs to had to have been on purpose, which hopefully there'd be some way to prove that. And then with the validity and defense, the main things is that does the plaintiff have reliable proof of suffering physical or emotional damage? This would be the cause and fact that they would need to be able to explain. And then were the intentions of the defendant to cause physical emotional harm to the plaintiff? Was it an accident or was this willing? That would be the main things that go intentionally with this tort. In the event that someone physically assaulted another person, the plaintiff would be the winner in my opinion, because they did not do anything to receive that, and they did not inflict the same damage to the defendant, triggering some sort of reaction. And that's it.